Hey, what's up guys, it's Mayank. Thank you for joining me today. So what I have for you is the Samsung S9 unboxing. On this channel I do a lot of tutorials, reviews, and detailed unboxings just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing by hitting that subscribe button right there. So I'm going to be doing a lot of videos on this, so stay tuned and make sure you subscribe. Today is just an unboxing and impressions. I'll be doing a review and a couple of tutorials that I've noticed people are having troubles with. So let's get to it. Alright, so what I have here is the titanium gray version. So this phone comes in two different versions. There's a titanium gray as well as a purple called the lilac purple. So the S9 also comes in two different sizes. There's the S9 version, which is a 5.8-inch screen with a pixel density of 570 pixels, and the S9 Plus, which is this one, that has a pixel density of 529 pixels per square inch. My friend Zach Tech Reviews, I'll leave a link for his video right below, has both phones so you can compare the S9 as well as the S9 Plus video. So let's get to it. Box off. Samsung logo. There's some tape here. Alright, so we've taken the box off. Alright, so we have the Samsung logo here. There's tape on the side. Alright, and right underneath you have really important information such as your IMEI number and other information which you should not share with anyone. Here we go, open this up. Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Alright, so we pop the top off. We have the actual phone over here. I'm going to take this out. There's some plastic over here to take out. Grab onto this. Phone's on the table. More cardboard box. So this is everything you get with it. Alright, so you get your adaptive fast charger, and like I mentioned all the time, depending on where you're located, these ports will be different. I'm located in North America, so that's why I have North American power ports. Okay, so also with this charger, you're able to output 9 volts or 5 volts. So you have your USB connector, so with this device you can transfer any data from your other phone to your new Samsung S9. Doesn't matter if it's an iPhone or an Android phone, pretty simple to use. You just plug in your Lightning or your micro USB port into your other phone. You plug in the other end at the bottom over here, and then you plug in this port into your S9 Plus or S9. You get your charging cable, and one thing right off the bat that I love about this phone is that it comes with a USB-C port. And yes, I can't believe I'm actually talking about this, but this is one of the few phones that has a 3.5mm headphone jack. So you're safe to use any other 3.5mm headphone jacks. You won't need an adapter. And then this, just a couple of extra earpieces for your headphones. Let's see what's in here. You have your SIM card ejector, and then your quick start guide. So you have your quick start guide in French, because I'm in Canada, and then how to transfer content over to your new Galaxy phone. You can download the Smart Switch app for Android or iOS. I'll leave a link for this right below the like button. Alright, like I mentioned before, you use that USB connector, the USB cable, and you're able to transfer files from your old device to your new device. Right, so we're back. And yes, I have my iPhone X here, so make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel by hitting that red button, because I'm going to be doing a video between the iPhone X and the S9. Right off the bat, I can tell you the S9 will win in the ports department because I love the USB-C port. Here's the phone. We're going to do a quick impression. I'm going to turn it on before I turn that on. So overall, this phone feels really good in the hand. Obviously, it's way bigger than the iPhone X. The iPhone X is about a 5-inch phone. You're comparing a 5-inch phone to a 6.2-inch phone. On the sides, you have, on the right side, you have a power button. On the left side, you have your volume rockers, as well as a dedicated Bixby button. It's a brand new dual camera system, so the bottom one actually switches the apertures depending on if you want to shoot darker images, so on and so forth. You have your fingerprint reader, once again right below the camera button. At the top, one thing that I like that Samsung does, you get your SIM card tray as well as your memory card slot. To access, use the ejector provided, place it in here, just push firmly down, it'll pop up like so, and then you just simply take it out. So it says at the bottom, SIM card, and then micro SD card. Alright, so at the bottom you get your 3.5mm headphone jack, your USB-C port, and then your speaker grill. So let's turn it on. Alright, so after you put your password in, agree to terms and conditions, You can agree to each one of them if you like. I only agree to the end user agreement. Agree. It's going to check for the updates, just a second. And then you have the option to choose a backup to restore. I'm not going to use that. I'm going to do a fresh install. So set the date and time. You can either set up the intelligent scan, which is going to use the sensors at the top to recognize your face, or you can do a facial recognition, iris scanner, fingerprint, pattern, or password. I'm going to use a quick pattern, more information about your phone that you can further protect by requiring pattern to be entered before the phone starts up. I'll just say no, continue, quick check mark again to confirm. All right, it's going to go ask you more information about backup and storage. I usually say no. Say no, send system data, no, and then once you're agreed, I'll skip this for now. Alright, so once you've logged into your Samsung account, you can read through the terms and conditions. I am quite aware of them. I only agreed to the top two because I don't want to share the information on my phone. And then you'll finally get the option to restore your data from your previous Samsung devices. I'll select don't restore, and then couple other useful features: extend your battery security stuff using secure folders, font size, getting the weather, and much more. Finish it, and finally, all done, your phone's ready to use. 7 degrees in beautiful Vancouver at 8 p.m. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, hit that like button and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe. The review's gonna be coming really soon. So don't worry about that. And let me know what you think about the device so far. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one. Goodbye.